Hello everyone, hope you are well. So in this lesson, I learned another special file in Next.js called template.js. So there is some basic difference between template.js and layout.js. So let's take a look at the difference by writing our code. So far we have create this application. There is a navbar and we can navigate to different pages. So let's go to the jump to the code. There was our layout. There was one navbar. Let's add another pages called footer.tsx. I just add it for just add some example or give you some example. RAFCE. This is footer. So go to the layout file and add footer. Yeah, the footer is also visible here. So in the navbar, let's make some changes. So I want to create a state using use state const state 0. Let's say it count set count. Let's add a div element here. Each one count in navbar. This will be count and button. This will be add on click event. Just increment count, set count previous equal to previous plus 1 and make it flex container, class name flex gap 4, and we need to make it client component because we are using a state there. Make it use client. So let's go to the so let's make it also a flex justify between. So yeah, this is side by side, it's looking good. Also go to the footer page, footer component, not page. Let's move to it and each one. This one is footer and make another div here. Each one count in footer. Let's make it a client component. Client and const use state 0 count set count. This will be count and add a button here. Set count plus 1. Also make this as flex, class name flex, and gap will be a 4 and make it flex, class name flex, justify between. Yeah, all are okay now. So let's go to our home page. The footer is and the navbar is okay. Let's increment the navbar and footer. When you navigate to another page, so look at that, the state is same. The state whatever we change are same. If we add one, go to the contact page, this is same. This is 6 and home, this is this is now also 6. So in the layout, so state inside the layout are persist across all the pages. So here we use navbar and footer. So these components are shared in the layout. That's why the state also persists across all the pages. So whenever we use a layout, only the pages are re-rendered and and repaint on our DOM. That's why the state inside the children will be changed, but the state inside our layout and the shared component inside layout and their state will not change. So let's think a situation that we need to change. We need to also change the state. We do not need to persist the state inside the layout or shared component or shared UI, things like that. We also need to change the state. So let's take a situation like we want to animation on our shared things, like we want to add an animation on navware. So when you navigate to different pages, like when you navigate to different pages, we need to add a loader uh, below the navware. So we need to change the state. So how can we achieve this? For this we need to use template file. So let's move our shared component to template.js file. So let's create another file named as template.tsx. Oops, in the app. Uh, templ template.tsx. Export default function root template. So I will return something from that. Let's make it empty div now. And template will take a children and add the children type. Type will be react node. Uh, let's return children from there. Now import our navbar and footer here. Navbar and footer. So I need to import navbar also here and footer also there. Let's go to our application. So application are same as now. Let's increment our state and increment our footer state also. Let's go to the blog page. Look at this, state are not persist there, state are changes. So whenever we use template.js file, all of the content, when you navigate to the another pages, all of the content are re-rendered and paint to the node. So a new node will generate it, and this will be rehydrate our browser. So that's why state will be changed there, and state will not intact in all pages. Let's modify this and go to this page. Look at that, the state are not intact here. So that's the basic difference between template.js and layout files. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.